The last two problems asked you to put your inequality in interval notation. I recommended that you graph each of these on the number line first and then go into interval notation, since interval notation is the newest information. So if I'm doing that, I want every number. This says the set of x such that. This bar means such that. So we want all the x's such that they are between a -1 and 4. Well, -1 included, but not 4. So a -1, I want to include it in my solutions. Number 4, I don't want to include it in a solution. And x's need to be smaller than 4, but x's need to be larger than -1. So it's the intersection or the inside of that graph. So now when we do our interval notation, we always want to work our number line from the left side to the right side and tell the reader what we're seeing for solutions. As we come across a number line, the first number that's a solution is -1, and since it is part of our solution set, we use a square bracket to tell our reader -1's included. Then you keep using all real numbers until you get to 4. But 4 is not included, so we had to have a different notation for not including the endpoint, and that was a parenthesis. So that is the representation in interval notation for number 15. Number 16 is an OR statement. We want a set of numbers of x such that x is less than -6 or x is greater than or equal to 10. So x is less than a -6 means open circle going to the left. X is greater than or equal to 10, closed circle going to the right. So now tell your reader of your solution what you're seeing as you work from the left side to the right side. So from the left side, we're coming from -infinity. And we always use parentheses with infinities because we can't name the exact n. Then we go all the way up to a -6, but we don't include it, so we put a parenthesis. We want to combine this with our other solution set, so that's a union. Union meant to combine or put together. Now I do want to include the 10, so that's a square bracket, 10, comma, and you go all the way off to infinity, parentheses. That is interval notation.